How to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now all what you want to do next is scroll, click on WhatsApp, click on this force stop option, go to the storage, click on clear data, and then click on clear cache. Now go back, click on the data usage option, make sure that all those options are enabled right here. Go back again and now click on this power usage details, click on app launch, turn off this manage automatically, click OK, and then click on force stop down here, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.